So now you know what to do with your pendulum to make it work well for you and with you. Keep it with you at all times so that it becomes an extension of you. Right. So to start working with your pendulum, you know how to hold it, but I haven't told you yet that it's really important to relax your shoulder, your arm, your wrist and your hand. Because if you stand like this, it's really, you're using the muscles. If you hold your pendulum just like you are very relaxed, then that's obviously going to work a bit better. The energy will flow better. So you just hold it like if you're sitting relaxing in your lazy boy. The other thing to do to prepare to work with your pendulum really well is to make sure you have both feet flat on the floor. Don't cross your legs, don't cross your ankles, have your feet flat on the floor. It's one of the important strategies to do when you want to do your grounding. Another thing is, don't have your other hand underneath it. I used to do that when I started off, and that's why I needed a maybe, quite likely, maybe. And I've been taught that, since then I've been taught that your hand is a positive and a negative. Like if for everybody it's the same for every male and it's the same for every female, usually, because everybody's unique, but for the male and the female it's the other way around. So this side of my hand, it goes in an anti-clockwise direction, and this side of my hand, it goes the other way. So your hand is actually influencing the pendulum. Now there's no hand and my pendulum hangs still. So please don't put any of your hands underneath it. It's also a good practice to have your legs slightly apart so that the pendulum rests in between your legs. So it's not over one of your legs, because your legs and your knees and everything, they have a positive and a negative as well. So that everything is in balance. It's got to work, right? So don't loop it over your fingers, just have it hanging down. Have one string hanging down. Relax your arm, your wrist, your shoulder. Keep your rational mind out of it. We don't need any rational thoughts, because if you were to ask a question, your rational mind will just mull it over and over and over and over, and you come up with like 20,000 different answers. So you want the answer that comes from within yourself, within your unconscious or your subconscious mind. So leave your rational mind out of it. Do your grounding, do your ritual, do your grounding as part of the ritual. Sit comfortably, think about what it is that you want to ask out loud or ask inside your head, and leave your rational brain out of it. Your yes and your no should come easily like that, and you can access whatever it is that you're accessing, subconscious, unconsciousness. Your pendulum will be an extension of your subconscious or unconscious mind, and it will bring forth all the answers that you are looking for. Practice it. For example, hold a piece of chocolate and ask, is this healthy for me? And your pendulum should spin in a certain direction. If you hold an apple and you say, is this healthy for me to eat right now? Note the more specifics in this question. Then your pendulum will tell you whether it's healthy for you to eat that apple or not right now, and whether it's healthy for you or not. Some things to practice. Another one you can practice is, pendulum, is my name Yvonna? For me it should say yes, because my name is Yvonna, but for you it should say no, unless your name is Yvonna or your middle name is Yvonna. If it gives you a wrong answer on that one, what you can do is my name Yvonna in this life? You should get your answers that way. Have fun practicing, and we'll see you again in the next video. Take care.